Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to record manual payments in Wave. Now, sometimes payments are made outside the normal invoicing process, and here I'm going to show you how to record them manually. First, in your Wave account, you want to go to the Sales tab, and then you're going to select Payments. Once that's done, click the Record a Payment button. Next, you're going to select the customer who made the payment and then enter the amount paid. You can choose the payment method, cash, check, or whatever else is available. And you're also going to need to input the date. Now, if the payment corresponds to a specific invoice, you can select that invoice and apply the payment directly to it. After entering all details, click Save to record the payment. Recording manual payments ensures your records stay accurate and up to date, even when payments are made outside of Wave's normal system. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.